What starts as officers tracking a suspicious vehicle through Atlanta quickly turns into something far more serious. Units begin closing in from multiple directions, and within moments, the suspect makes the choice to run. With a child reportedly inside the vehicle, every move from this point forward becomes extremely high risk.
South Gordon and Westmeath.
It's right there. I'm gonna go look.
You're up, look around Oglethorpe and Evans Street.
I got the car, Peoples and RDA.
Yeah, information with GSP radio.
Go.
He cut off on Peoples.
Give me the air. Peoples northbound towards Oak Street. GSP is behind him.
GSP radio.
813 Atlanta, 1080. I got the vehicle.
So, you 1033. What's the location?
Left on Lucille and Peoples.
Okay, Lucille and Peoples.
When I tried to stop him at a stoplight at low speeds, he still got the child in the back seat.
Officers attempt a low-speed stop at a light, but the driver refuses to comply. Now things get complicated. Dispatch confirms there's a child in the back seat. That changes everything. Pursuit tactics must stay controlled, because one aggressive move at the wrong time could put that child in serious danger.
Clear, child still in the vehicle.
Stop sign, clear left, clear right.
Okay, 20.
We're still on Lucille. Stand by, I'll get you across in a second. Oh, shit.
Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands!
Officers call for a picnic, a tactical move designed to spin the suspect vehicle and stop the chase. But during the takedown, tensions explode as the suspect crashes into officers before being pulled from the car. At this point, survival and control take priority.
Oh, shit.
GSP pit. Show me your fucking hands. Get the fuck out the car. Open the fucking door. Open the fucking door.
So you're trying to kill us? You're trying to kill us? Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill me. Why would y'all do that, man?
Get out.
Please don't beat me up, man. Listen, I'm getting on that. I'm confused. Y'all trying to kill me. Don't fight me, man.
Get on the ground.
Don't fight me. Stop, don't fight me. He don't stop on the fight me. He don't stop on the fight me. Please. Can y'all please stop? Can y'all please?
Put your hands down.
Can y'all please stop? Please.
91 in your back. Suspect is caught today with child killed. Correct. The child is killed. Perpetrated it. We appreciate that. Thank you. No problem. What is it?
hit us, sir. He hit us. I didn't have to actually ran into us. He hit us. He hit us. That's messed up. He hit us. He's trying to kill us. He hit us. That's messed up. Oh, please understand me.
Everyone thanks for your help. Appreciate you coming over also. No problem. That's what we get for.
He hit us. That's messed up.
4144 radio. Just supervisor out on the 21.
She, come here. I can show you where she's at. I can show you. My phone is in the car. My phone is in the car. Please, yes.
Okay, you did it.
No.
You did a good job. You did a good job, man.
No.
You did a good job, man. You did a good job.
Excuse me.
You okay?
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna take you to your mom. You
Okay.
alright? You okay? You okay?
My
man?
mom called you.
Yeah, she did.
Okay.
She did. You okay?
Excuse me. I want to go now.
Yeah.
What's this location? What's this location?
Lucille Ave, 5112, 512
Atlanta, we're at 512 Lucille, 512 Lucille, 3252 just to check on this child. You're okay, buddy. You're okay. Yeah. Yeah, man. God, it scared the shit out of me when they hit that tree. Hey, 13 Atlanta. So we had a lot of volume out here. Were you clear on that location?
512 Lucille Avenue. I'm not next, but 512 Lucille. We look at you. We got to get back on the way.
All right. Langhorne and Oak is a good cross street. We're right here at Langhorne and Oak. Also, I'm going to need a NCO to come work up there, please.
Hey, 4. We got to get the NCO around to him to work that 813.
We got mom.
A dangerous pursuit involving a child passenger ends with officers regaining control and making the arrest. Situations like this show how quickly routine policing can turn critical, and why coordination matters in every second of the chase. If you enjoy real pursuit breakdowns like this, hit like, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real-world police chases and tactics.